Hi, my name is Kevin McCowan, and I'm with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. Recently, the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, a not-for-profit organization dedicated to increasing public awareness about chiropractic care, and the American Academy of Spine Physicians, an organization committed to promoting excellence in spine care through education, innovation, and collaboration, have partnered to enhance the role and recognition of doctors of chiropractic and spine care. With that said, all members of the F4CP are now directory level members with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the American Academy of Spine Physicians, its website, and the member dashboard. The American Academy of Spine Physicians homepage is located at www.spinephysicians.org. We encourage you to visit the site and to browse over the site. On the site, you will notice that there are 300 plus news articles where you can learn about some of the things that the Academy has been up to. There are also 26 reasons to join located in healthcare professionals, reasons to join. You can click there and it will actually take you to the 26 reasons to join. All members of the F4CP, again, are now members with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. You should have received a user ID and a PIN number that will give you access to a limited number of benefits with the Academy. Again, you are now a directory level member with the Academy. Once you get your user ID and PIN number, you will want to log in to the Academy. You can do your user ID here, your PIN number here, and that should take you to what we call the member dashboard. Now, I have logged in with Dr. David Durant. He is actually one of our council members as well as a member of the Academy. Once you log in, there will be a button here called F4CP Members. You will want to click on that button. The first button here is the introduction, so you may want to read the introduction, a brief overview about the Academy. The next button is the directory profile. The directory profile is with the International Directory of Spine Care Professionals, which is the official directory of the American Academy of Spine Physicians. Once you log in, you want to make sure that you check all of your profile fields and make sure they're accurate as they are reflected on your full page profile. Again, there's a degree. You want to make sure that you select the correct degree or degrees. We have a professional introduction. We have practice emphasis, specialization, practice type and location, education and training, credentials and certifications, appointments and positions, languages spoken, contact info, personal information, as well as practice information. Again, as you fill out these fields, you'll want to click on the View Directory. A new window will pop up so you can verify and check those fields to make sure they are accurate. We're going to just go over real quickly here, and we're going to click on the one for Dr. Sherry McAllister. She has a full page profile as well in the American Academy, the International Spine Association's professional directory. Now, Dr. McAllister is the Executive Vice President for the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress. So you can see that she has all of her fields filled out here. So if anybody is searching for a chiropractor in the San Jose, California area, they may come to her profile and can learn a little bit more about her and her practice and some of the things she offers in the area of chiropractic. Now back to the dashboard. Next, we have the facility profile. Sometimes people will search by the facility name, so we're going to encourage everybody to complete the facility profile because there is an international directory of spine care facilities as well. There's in that directory. Okay. Next, we have the spine care information script form. The script forms can be given to the patient, and they provide direction to online information about the spine disorder and/or other spine care categories. It directs the patient to the online public information center of the International Spine Association so that they can learn more about their spine and other topics of their physician's choice. The online PIC represents a large multi-database of need-to-know information about the spine, spine disorders, and available spine care. The content of the PIC is managed by the International Spine Association. Again, we have several versions of the strip pad. Number one, we have the spine disorder strip pad. We have the treatment option strip pad, the spine care professional strip pad, as well as the spine care product strip pad. These can be printed off to a local printer or taken to a professional print shop to be printed off. Next, we have the brochure library. As a directory level member, you have a subset of a library of 50 plus brochures that you have access to. These brochures are very detailed and professional in nature, and again, can be printed off at your local printer or a print shop. You can make as many copies as you like, stockpile these in your office, as well as hand these out to your patients for patient retention through education and informing the patients about different things about chiropractic care. Next, we have the network services instructions. The Academy has the Spine Care 360, which consists of inform a colleague. You can quickly inform your colleague or your peers about literature with the Academy. We have introductory letters, as well as the Spine Care Networking Tool. With the Spine Care Networking Tool, you can search for local doctors in your area, other members of the spine care profession or the spine care team. You can send an invite to them. Once they accept the invite through email, they will now be placed in what we call your spine care network. At that point, you can visit their profile, which is in the International Spine Association directory. You can visit their profile, call them, spark up a relationship, and therefore build your referral or your networking team. Next in the list, we have the special offer. For all members of the F4CP that are directory level members and you want to upgrade to full membership, you will then enjoy all 26 benefits of the Academy, as well as a special toolkit for public relations. This has been put together in collaboration with the F4CP and American Academy of Spine Physicians. This public relations toolkit will help you to better connect with your patients and marketing your practice. The next button, we have upgrade membership. In the upgrade membership, it's very simple. You will want to actually first update your credit card information. Once you update your credit card information, there's a 50% discount. So to upgrade as an F4CP member is not $295 but $150. You can upgrade and be a full member with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. With that said, we hope that you will visit the website www.spinephysicians.org, log in with your user ID and PIN number, take advantage of the directory level membership benefits, as well as consider upgrading to a full member with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. If you have any questions, please call us on the number on the website or email us at aasp@spinephysicians.org. Thank you.